Hi everybody, it's Andrea Gomoll again. Today I have a cute little project for you. I'm creating a canvas using some Faber Castell gelatos, the textural accents, and also the Just Right stamp set called Keep Calm. Okay, so I got my canvas, and first I'm gonna add a layer of white acrylic paint to give it a kind of a base coat, and then we will just work on top of this layer of white acrylic paint. I'm using a scrape tool because I kind of like the structure it gives me. So now we've got this dried, and I'm going to use this stamp set by Just Right stamps, and I'm really loving it. Those Keep Calm and whatever, you can have so many possibilities of combination here. So I decided to do the whole canvas using those stamps. Real quick, and I think I'm gonna do first a background design with all those stamps and words, and later on I'm gonna add some dimensional pieces of the same. Yeah, well, let's get started. I'm gonna use those frames first, I think. And what I do, if I want to stamp on canvas, because of course this is quite flexible, so it's pretty hard to get a nice stamped print on here. So I use a book which has approximately the size or the thickness of the canvas, and I just this one is really a perfect fit, but you could use any book, even if it's smaller, you just have to move it around. And I'm putting it in here, and this will give me a nice sturdy surface to stamp on. Okay, next I'm just gonna stamp some random words and phrases and some of those cute tiny images to fill up the background with it. Okay, next I'm gonna use the Stampers Big Brush pens to add some colored stamp prints to my canvas. I'm just adding it directly onto the stamp. And then just stamping it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I've stamped my background and I'm going to add some gelato colors to the background and then blend it with some water. And I just picked a couple of colors which I really enjoy, and this is the Cotton Candy, the Aqua Dolce, Lavender, Watermelon, then we have the Metallic Melon and the Margarita mix. So I think this is a really nice pastel spring palette, and I'm just gonna add it to my background. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a top coat of the Faber-Castell glaze to kind of seal it and give it a nice sheen. Oops. Now I'm stamping some of the frames to a piece of cardstock, since I want to cut them out and add them with 3D foam pads to my canvas. And I'm just coloring in the images with the same gelato colors that I already used for the background. And I'm using a baby wipe to blend the gelato colors. And next I'm adding a layer of glaze on top of the stamped images to give them a nice shine and kind of a 3D feeling. Once they have dried, I have cut them out, and now I'm just adhering them to my canvas using 3D foam pads. Now I've got a couple of Prima flowers and I'm coloring them in with using my gelato sticks, and afterwards I'm just sprinkling them with some water out of the mini mister bottle, the water spritzer bottle by Faber Castell, to make the colors flow and blend and yeah, give a nice color coverage to the flowers and the blossoms. And last but not least, I'm adding the flowers I just colored in to my canvas using the Faber Castell gel medium, which is also working like glue. And I'm just adding some of the gel medium to the back of the flowers and adhering them to my canvas.